Hey guys, so we have a joke about the repair of Rocky Ridge here. We're still thinking maybe doing this, but maybe not. So we got another truck. So we got 2019 Ram Bighorn. And we'll be doing all of the switching to the Rocky Ridge, all the performance package that will be on this car. So stay tuned and you'll see everything on the next video. Welcome back to our channel, guys. We're still on the Rocky Ridge project. We get it from the painted booth. So we paint the hood, we paint the bumper, we paint the fender. The biggest problem, we forgot to record the video for you guys when we install everything before it was painted. But we're still in the learning process, so we'll get more video in the future. We got the Rebel hood, which look way more aggressive than the regular hood. We still will be putting some stuff on it. We'll get the fender flare on the fender, which will look way more aggressive and wider body, because we will put the kit lift from the Rocky Ridge, which will have like 4 or 6 inches up, and the tires will go wider, so the fender flare will be looking awesome on this vehicle. So we still have a lot of stuff inside, which we'll be changing here. So these seats will be removing to put the Rocky Ridge interior. We already changed the screen, so it's 12-inch screen. It's not working yet, but we're still in the process to make it work for us. Stay tuned and you'll see more epic video.
I have 3 pieces, same side.
3 left on one car.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. We can sell this and make some money. Oh, it's looking pretty nice. You put the clips. Is that everything OEM? Okay, so you're almost done with the hood. This thing will be worse, so that's not a big deal. So what you'll be doing next, you'll be taking everything together for the grill and all the parts. What do you have it here for the modern clip for the bra here. So guys, stay tuned and we'll see the complete version of this truck very soon. So we have the Rocky Ridge wheel here. You can see the beige over there, the logo here. So right now we'll be pumping out with our new method. We'll see if the tire is really good here or not. So lad, how you'll be doing this?
By brake cleaner.
So he's using the brake cleaner to pump this tire in. Safety is number one of priority, right?
Yeah.